Certain types of sage contain both antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Considering the fact that indoor air quality is usually way worse than outdoor air quality, whether you have allergies or not, breathing better air should be a concern for everyone. This is a quick and easy way to just clear out the air in your home and make sure that everyone can breathe healthier. But it's even better if you're looking to put your home on the market and you know you've got people coming in today to look at your home. You want to make sure your air quality is as clean as possible, but also it smells good. So this is going to get rid of any sort of funky odors in your house. All you need to do is either buy some sage that burns or get the kind that spritz, and make sure that you do it on the day that you're showing your house. Sage, however, isn't just known for clearing out and purifying the air. It's also really great for clearing out and purifying negative energy that can be lingering in your home. So when you're burning the sage for the other reason, for just clearing out the air, what you can do is just sort of bring it around in your home and go and make sure the smoke gets everywhere, asking it to clear out any and all negative energies. You can go ahead and also look up to find maybe a mantra that really works for you while you're going out and just clearing the air and clearing the negative energy. This is a really great exercise to do right after you finish decluttering, because it just helps you clear out all of the stagnant junk, that all of that stuff that you no longer need in your life that's not supporting you has been producing. This clears the air in any and all which way, and it helps you to just move forward. So I definitely recommend doing that. But if you're going to do it, also crack a window or leave one open so that all of the negative and junky air can get out and you're just left with a clean, refreshed space. Hi, I'm Allison. I help people declutter their homes and lives for living, selling, packing, and moving. If you like what you see, like and follow. If you want to create lasting changes for the rest of your life, go to the link listed below and learn how to do it yourself.